Hello, today I have a job. My customer said something wrong with the zip, but she lost the slider, so I cannot check if the slider still work or not. And in this case, I can't put this one on the machine to sew the zip. If I want to do this job, I have to take this one off and then do by hand again. So that is a big job. So my customer bought for me a new zip, and I try to take this slider to put to the old one. So I just unpick the lock from the top here, and then I take the slider off. Yeah. And I think this one we can reuse again, so we should keep them. Yeah. I want to cut a little bit off. And then this side I will do the same. Yeah. Okay, it's good. So now I have to put this one back on. Okay. Put this one and this one together. Okay, it's a little bit hard. Yeah. Okay, I put this one back to cover the end of the zip, and I check again. Okay, it worked very well now. Thank you very much for your watching. Please subscribe, like and share my channel. And please don't forget to press the bell icon to get my new video from my job every day. Thank you very much again. Bye bye. See you later.